Welcome to J&J's test video of 9712. This is a 94 Fleetwood Brougham. Has 149,000 miles on an LT1. Runs pretty good. Hitting the left corner. Got some old drag stars on it. It's actually a pretty nice car. Got all the moldings, tail finish panel, bumper. It does have a broken trim, but most of the parts are there. Show you the motor. Bar she blows. And a BG service once in a time. Let's see what we do. We go down. She runs pretty good. She should. She drove herself out here. Take her for a ride real quick. It'll move on that. Don't let people fool you. Air is nice and cold. These cars usually are just down south now. Radio works. Let's see what we got. Windows off track. We got one window working. Just one. Alright, man, that fan is cold. Nope. Alright, let's take a ride. I always like to make sure the 700 R4s work. Or that, what is this, 94? It might be 700. I don't know if it's 4L60. I can't remember the exact changeover. Alright, we'll show you reverse works. Yeah, the cluster works. There it is, 149, 586. Better change my oil, it says. Let's see if I can go all the way backwards. I think I just have to idle. Because if I put any gas to it, it just spins the rim. Alright, there we are. Reverse works, all that stuff works. She is good to go. As always, I get out, stuck. I'm gonna have a crash wrapped. Thank you for watching, and have your pets spayed and neutered. Looks pretty good on those wheels.